Welcome to Mustang is a Way of Life. My name is Clifton. These are my decals for Mustang is a Way of Life. Got the orange, got the blue, got the black, got the red. I think I'm gonna go with the red. It makes the YouTube logo look really good, and I think it'll pop on my car. This is kind of looks like a different kind of blue. I don't know, maybe it's just because of the paper. But I think I'm going to go with the red. But before I could put them on, I got to clean the car. So outside I go. Somebody put grease on my car. I don't know why. It was all on the side, but I think I got it. Just gotta get to the side. If it sticks to the back, you just put it back on there. And then keep on going until it finally comes off. Wonder if it'll get back. I guess if it's gonna be crooked, it's gonna be crooked. Get my squeegee. Peel this away and see what it looks like. Might be. Oh yeah, that'd help. Rubbing the back. Oh, that was coming off easy. You know what? Hey, let me... Make sure I put it like the same kind of way. think the red shows up more because it's a different color.